Charminar was built in 1591 at the center of the city to commemorate the eradication of plague. Charminar, the mosque with 4 minarets. The 5th ruler of the Qutb Shahi dynasty, Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, built the Charminar. He started the construction of Charminar after shifting his capital to Golconda, the newly formed city of Hyderabad. The 4 pillars around Charminar represent the 4 caliphs of Islam. The structure is made of granite, limestone, mortar and pulverized marble. Each side of Charminar is 20 meters long. Minarets are 48.7 meters in length. Minarets have 149 steps each. Charminar, situated in the heart of Hyderabad city, is of the Indo-Islamic architectural style incorporating Persian architectural elements. Charminar found its place in World Map in January 2012. The photograph taken by D. Ravinder Reddy was the one which found its place in the World Map. This fabulous monument is visited by innumerable tourists every day. Needless to mention that this remarkable monument attracts every person who visits here. Golconda Fort. Golconda was the principal capital of the Qutb Shahi kings. It is situated in the Hyderabad district of Telangana. The Kakatiya kings constructed a mud fort around this holy spot to protect the kingdom from enemies. The fortress rests on a granite hill 120 meters high, while huge crenellated ramparts surround the structure. Rani Rudramai Devi and her successor Prataparudra reconstructed this fort. The present-day structure of the fort was conceived and reconstructed by the Quli Qutb Shah dynasty, who ruled later with Hyderabad as capital. Golconda still boasts of mounted cannons, four drawbridges, 8 gateways and majestic halls, magazines, stables, temples, mosques, etc. Balahizar Gate is situated on the eastern side of the fort. It has a pointed arch bordered by rows of scroll work. The tunnel which runs underground is supposed to have ended in one of the palaces situated below the hill. Tombs of Qutb Shahi kings can also be seen in this fort, which is of Islamic Vastu architecture. Golconda Fort is surrounded by beautiful gardens and excellent carvings. 2 pavilions around here are built in the rock surface. There is an art mandir here which is visible from the darbar of the king in the fort. The other buildings found inside the fort are Habsi Commons, Ashia Khana, Taramati Mosque, Ramadas Bandi Khana, Camel Stable, private chambers, mortuary bath, Nagina Bagh, Ramasas Kota, Darbar Hall, Ambar Khana and many more fabulous structures attract people from all around. Nehru Zoological Park, also known as Zoo Park, is a zoo located on Bangalore Highway near the Mir Alam Tank in Bahadurpura, Telangana, India. It is one of the most visited destinations in Hyderabad. The zoo, which occupies 380 acres, is one among the 3 most sought-after tourist spots in Hyderabad. Nehru Zoological Park's construction was started on 26 October 1959 and opened to the public on 6 October 1963. The park is run by Forest Department, Government of Telangana, and is named after the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Indigenous animals like Indian rhino, Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, panther, gaur, Indian elephant, slender loris, python, as well as deer, antelopes and birds are housed here along with 100 species of birds, animals and reptiles. Tourists can walk around 5 kilometers to enjoy this zoological park. Nocturnal animal house, fish aquarium, butterfly park, Jurassic Park, children's park, museum, adventurous safari ride are the other few attractions here. Elderly people can utilize the services of buggy to ride around the park. The mini toy train, which moves around all the vital places of the zoological park, is the most exciting one for children. Extreme care and various efforts are taken to care the birds and animal species which are in threat of extinction. No wonder that this fabulous park has become an attraction for world tourists. The Salarjung Museum is an art museum located at Darul Shifa on the southern bank of the Musi River in the city of Hyderabad. This is one among the 3 important national museums in India. Almost all the art collections exhibited here once belonged to the Salarjung family as a private museum. After the demise of Salarjung III, this museum was handed over to the government. This museum was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 16th December 1951. Huge collections of sculptures, paintings, carvings, various cloth materials, manuscripts, metallic artifacts, coins and clocks from India and other countries like Japan, China, Burma, Nepal, India, Persia, Egypt, Europe and North America can be seen exhibited here. The Salarjung Museum is one among the largest museums in the world. The museum building, semicircular in shape with 38 galleries spread on 2 floors, displays only a part of the original collection. 3 blocks which houses these galleries are Eastern Block, Western Block and Indian Block. Most of the galleries are in the central portion of the Indian Block of the museum. While 7 galleries are in the Western Block, the Eastern Block consists of 4 galleries. The library in this museum consists of huge collection of rare books. More than 8,000 manuscripts and more than 60,000 printed books are available here. This is one of the best libraries in the world. The Indian block includes jade-crafted daggers of Jahangir, Noor Jahan and Shah Jahan and weapons belonging to Aurangzeb, Tipu Sultan, Muhammad Shah, Bahadur Shah and Abdul Hasan Qutb Shah. Indian miniature painting schools of Mughal, Rajasthani, Tanjavur and Deccan, apart from the Indian sculptures from the Gandhara and Chola periods, are also displayed in the gallery. Salarjung Museum is a blend of wonders and knowledge. Every visual here is history. We will no doubt be flabbergasted by these wonders. Chaumahalla Palace, meaning 4 palaces in Urdu, is the palace of the Nizams of Hyderabad state located in Hyderabad. This is the oldest part of the palace, consisting of 4 palaces: Afzal Mahal, Mahatab Mahal, Tahniyat Mahal and Aftab Mahal, built symmetrically opposite to each other in neoclassical style. The palaces, which belongs to the Asafzahi dynasty, was constructed by Nizam Ali Khan Asafzah II in 1769. This was the official residence of the Nizams. This palace was awarded with UNESCO Asia Pacific Merit Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation on March 15, 2010. The palace is constructed at the location of earlier existing palaces of the Qutb Shahi dynasty. It is a treat to watch the splendid Vastu architecture of the palaces here. The palace is unique for its style and elegance. Construction of the palace began in the late 18th century, and over the decades a synthesis of many architectural styles and influences emerged. The palace consists of 2 courtyards as well as the Grand Darbar Hall, fountains and gardens. Darbar Hall, adorned by massive pillars, has Takht-e-Nishan, the royal throne made of fabulous marble stones. Nizams used to conduct their celebrations, religious rituals and other ceremonies. An admirable collection of vintage cars, inclusive of Rolls-Royce used by Nizams, can be seen exhibited here. Chowmahalla Palace, pride of Nizams, stands tall with its architectural elegance. Every visitor will cherish the memories of this palace for life. Ramoji Film City is another most sought-after tourist hub in Hyderabad. Popularly known as a city within a city, is an arena of wonders packed with splendid entertainment havens. Enjoy viewing the exclusive video on Ramoji Film City made for you. Click onto the link in the description box below to enjoy the video.